Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Husqvarna 281 chainsaw. This one features a 24-inch power match bar, brand new bar, and a new Oregon chisel bit skip tooth chain. Skip being the sequence, you can see we've got a space between there. These chains are fast cutting yet easy to maintain. Very good for cutting the hardwoods or softwoods. Take a close-up look at some of the features this saw has. Kill switch is on the left there, real easy to get at. Choke's on the right. It's got a hand protector and a foot pad here. Works as a hand protector in case of a chain throwing. Helps protect your hand here. Foot pad when starting this saw on the ground. You want to start this high compression engine on the ground. Put your foot in the pad here. Good grip on the handlebars, and you can start that saw. A lot easier on the ground doing it that way. Has a side load on the gas reservoir and also on the oil reservoir. Large falling spike and a working chain brake. Just a nice running saw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.